Welcome, woodworker fans. My name is Marion Elena, and this is my woodworking channel. Today we'll do a thin strip. So I have a little jig that I have made, as you can see, and it has a tab on the end, which I can engage or disengage as I need. And the goal basically is to pull this work through like this, engage the tab, and then finish the cut like that. Pretty simple, eh? So I'll do that. It's going to be noisy, so stick around. We made our cut. It's about a 1/4 inch, and it's going to go into this miter slot. So that's the goal.